In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete shared files on Google Drive. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Let's say, as an example, you're going to use Opera or Google Chrome or Firefox or, I don't know, Microsoft Edge or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So once you go and open that browser that you have, go to this URL section and simply type google.com/drive and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page directly, which is the home screen or the main screen of Google Drive. So if you have an account, make sure to go and click at the top right corner option sign in. And once you click on it, they will take you to this page if you already try to sign in before. If you don't even have an account, you can click on try Drive for work or sign up at no cost, as you can see, if you don't have an account. If you click on it, as you can see, you can use for my personal use or for work or my business. Choose whatever suits you. Let's say, as an example, for my personal use. So here you can simply enter your name, your last name, and etc. Anyway, and fill the other informations until you find yourself with your account. So once you signed in or sign up into your account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or main screen on Google Drive. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to delete shared files on Google Drive. So once you are here, of course, let's say, for example, this file of mine is actually shared with somebody else, and I want to delete it. Of course, it's in my drive. Simply, I can click on this three dots at the top right corner, or I can right click on that file. Once I am here with this pop-out, click on remove. And as you can see, this will be moved to trash. If you want to permanently remove it, go to trash and again, do the same and delete forever and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.